Hello friends, today we are going to read Kalidasa's Abhigyanam Shakuntalam. This text is taken from The Loom of Time, which is a translated work of Kalidasa's poems and plays by Chandrarajan. This translated work was published in 1989. First, let's talk about the writer Kalidasa. Kalidasa lived and wrote at the closing of the first millennium BC. He was born at Ujjain, which is in Madhya Pradesh currently. He was a court poet of King Vikramaditya or second Chandragupta. Kumarshambhava, Raghuvansha are some of his notable poems. Apart from his world-famous play Abhigyanam Shakuntalam, Malvikagnimithram is another notable play of Kalidasa. Kalidasa's work is tinged with Shiva's presence, that is to say, that in the works of Kalidasa there is an amalgamation of sacred and erotic elements. Now we will discuss about the title of the play. The original title of the drama is Abhigyanam Shakuntalam, which is translated as The Recognition of Shakuntala by Chandrarajan in her work The Loom of Time. Now we will discuss about the structure of the play. The play starts with a prologue and then there are 7 acts afterwards. Basically, it is a 7-act play. The first act is named as the chase. The second act is named as the concealment of the telling. Act 3rd is named as love fruition. Act 4 is entitled as Shakuntala's departure. Act 5th is entitled as the repudiation of Shakuntala. Act 6 is named as separation from Shakuntala. Act 7 is named as Shakuntala's prosperity. The first 4 acts take place at Kanva's hermitage. Act 5th and Act 6 take place in Dusyanta's royal court. Act 7 takes place at the hermitage of Maricha. Act 6 and Act 7 both have 2 scenes. Now we will discuss about the characters in the play. There are 4 groups of characters: main characters, minor characters, characters off stage, persons mentioned. Main characters include King Dusyanta, Shakuntala, Madhavya, Kanva, Sharangarava, Saradatta, Chief of Police, Fisherman, Mirakesi, Matali, Boy, Maricha. This is not the whole list of the main characters, there are some more. Minor characters including peoples of Kannauj, 2 hermits, Karavaka. Characters of stage, these are Durvasa, aerial voices, Hamshabati. Persons mentioned who never appear on the play but they are just mentioned, like Kaushika, Menaka, Indra, Jayanta. Now we will discuss about the prologue of the play. There are 2 characters involved in the prologue: the director, whom the writer calls Sutradhar, and actress or Nati, who is the wife of the director. The prologue is about the potency of God, whom the director and Nati asks for blessings. The prologue is like the Ganesh Vandana before the starting of a show dance. The Sutradhar is involved in a dialogue with the actress in this prologue. The function of the prologue is to introduce the writer of the play and the name of the play that the readers are going to read. Therefore, for the first time, the name of the play, The Recognition of Shakuntala, is uttered here and the action of the plot is induced. Through the dialogue of the Sutradhar, we come to know that Dusyanta was carried far away in the chase of an antelope. Therefore, the first act, entitled The Chase, begins from the prologue. Now we will discuss the whole play in the next episode. If you are interested, please comment below.